A donation just came in, so why did no receipt reach the donor and no alert reach you? The donation log shows the emails quietly failed to send. Here is how to find out why and fix it in order. Start in Settings, then Emails. Make sure the email you expect is actually turned on. The donation receipt goes to your donor and the new donation notification goes to you. A green dot means it is active. Open the new donation notification to see where it is aimed. The recipient here can be different from your main WordPress admin email. So if alerts are missing, confirm this is an address you actually check. Now open the General tab. Set a clear from name and a from email you control. These appear on every charitable email, so they are worth getting right. Next, open the donation itself and read the donation log. This is the fastest way to tell what really happened. It records for each email whether Charitable actually sent it. Here, both the receipt and the notification were sent successfully. So Charitable did its job, and a missing email is now a delivery problem, which we fix in a moment. You can also resend either one right here with Resend It Now or from the Donation Actions menu. 2 quick checks before you assume an email is lost. Confirm the donation is marked paid, because pending or failed donations do not send receipts. And look in Spam and in Gmail's Promotions and Updates tabs, where receipts often get sorted. This brings us to the most common cause of all, your from address. Charitable is already warning us right here. This email uses a different domain than your site, which can cause it to land in spam. Use a from email on a domain you own and that your mail service is allowed to send for. It is also the address donors reach when they hit reply. Matching your sending domain is what keeps receipts out of the spam folder. So here is the real fix. By default, WordPress sends mail with basic PHP mail, which many hosts throttle or block. Charitable's email health says it plainly: no SMTP configured, messages may not be delivered. You can even run the built-in email diagnostics under Tools. It checks your whole setup and gives you a clear health score. The fix is to send through a real mail service using SMTP. Install WP Mail SMTP, a free plugin from the makers of Charitable. Connect a mailer like SendLayer and it sets up your SPF, DKIM, and DMARC for you. Then use its built-in email test to confirm delivery from end to end. A green success means your mail is finally getting out. Charitable has its own test too. On the Emails General tab, send a test email and watch for it to arrive. And with SMTP active, email health now shows you are good to go. So 2 tools solve almost every missing email report: the donation logs resend and an email test after you connect SMTP. If the test lands, your receipts and notifications will too. For more Charitable tutorials, visit wpcharitable.com/documentation.